Hi, I'm Andrea, and I'm here to talk to you about City Plaza Pharmacy. As a mother with small children, I sometimes find it very difficult to balance work and family. That's why I rely on City Plaza Pharmacy for their fast, affordable, and convenient services. City Plaza Pharmacy is a place to go for all your pharmaceutical needs and more, where their highly trained and knowledgeable pharmacy staff are always available to offer health tips and advice. That's why City Plaza Pharmacy is the pharmaceutical center of Portland.
City Plaza Pharmacy Limited, 46 Harbour Street, Port Antonio, Portland. Telephone 993-2620, your pharmaceutical center of Portland.